for too long. Don't blame us for sucking. Don't blame us. Don't blame us. This is Babu Dote. This is Bojaba Falum Tlajakele Mzula Mangasang is 15 police. Bagit angikhulumele ngakhe ibhodlela so called ibhodlela leshimane. Now I named it so that uyazi ukuthi uma ufona e-call center ucela ibhodlela ekuthiwa intombi kayibhinci, intombi kayibhinci. Igama lalelo bhodlela ke. Umbuzo uthi Babu Dokotela leli bhodlela you mean ukuthi lino intombi kayibhinci? The answer is no. Why should I be saying no instead of saying yes? People who watch these channels are not stupid. They may be viewers, they may be audience, but they are very brilliant. They're not clever, they are very brilliant. A monkey is clever. Not me, I'm not clever. The monkey is clever. I mean brilliant, I'm intelligent. Okay, fine. Abantu ababuka le channel are very smart. You understand? Then I cannot be lying to them and saying, that is a lie. There is no such thing as that. Igama lebhodlela leshimane, I named it intombi kayibhinci, meaning that if ufonela a call center usuzobatshela manje uthi bengicela ikhombo kantombi kayibhinci bazothetha i1500 plus no 110 rand okukhoriyela yona. Hayi ngizofika ngizozilandela nami ngifuna ukuyibona lo ndawo yenu, then it's fine, you can always come. You understand? Untombi kayibhinci ke loyo. Kodwa ke into engifuna ukuyisho ke lana, please elders, baba, malume, bhuti omdala Razo, ngiyakuhlonipha, ngithanda imoto ohamba ngayo right. Kodwa yabona phela usungahamba nganisala extrail imoto yabo mama phela leyo athi. Usungahamba ngenavara. Usungahamba nganisala extrail Razo. Uzulehla kuhavali nomkhabo ngaka. Hayi ngeke. Kunemoto zomama yethu, yabona imoto zamathikini. Ufuna wazi ukuthi hayi ngeke ukwazi ukwehla kulo moto phela. Yabo Razo ye. Kunemoto nje wazi ukuthi hayi le moto le hayi. Omoto zomama le yakuthelele. Umjitho hamba omoto lokuba serious hamba omoto ayijayi. Hayi buyisene icelele lonto le hamba ohlala lapha eminyango futhi ungahlali nathi la. Ngahlala nathi lana. At least hamba Jeep Commando. At least hamba Jeep Renegade. At least hamba nje ngemoto ngempela. Hamba ngemoto ngempela. Hayi imoto ebiza kodwa njengamanje ngihamba ngeAudi Q5 ya ngithukanga nakhona. Ngithukile.